What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to practice flying jets and helis in Battlefield 6. If you wanna practice flying, you can do it very easily through the multiplayer section. Start by opening multiplayer and then go to the browse servers option. Once you're on the server list, click on filters at the top. Here, the first thing you should do is select your region. Choosing your region helps you avoid lag and delays, which makes flying much smoother. Don't type anything into the search bar, just set the region and apply the filter. After applying the filter, scroll through the list and look for servers that are specifically made for flying practice. You'll often find names like Practice Flying, Flying School or Air Training. When you are checking a server, always read its description before joining. If you see a description that looks confusing or doesn't clearly mention aircraft training, I'd recommend skipping it. For example, when you scroll down to a server like Air Training Firestorm, the description tells you there is a small platform on the Firestorm map with several instantly respawning aircraft. This is exactly the kind of server you want, cause it gives you unlimited access to helis and jets. Once you open the server and join, you'll usually see helicopters and jets available right away. Just enter one and start practicing. These servers are perfect cause there's no real pressure. You can crash, respawn, take your time and slowly get comfortable with heli and jet controls. And that's pretty much how you can practice flying in Battlefield 6. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.